Hello everybody. Well, me and Frankie are going to feed the chickens. We got chickens, don't you know, hey? We're going to take out some scraps now. We're going to feed the chickens. Yep, come along. Good way to use up your scraps. Obviously, not that bit. But yeah, good way to use up your scraps, isn't it? We are having a cooked roast pork dinner. So we've got scraps from the leeks, the broccoli, carrot tops, and onion skins, potatoes. They're all in here. And we're going to take them out now to the chickens. Oh, can you hear them? We have to do our special cry. So keep your eyes peeled, everybody. Free ranging around here. So sunny today. And that's it, girl. So Frankie's got scraps ready. Hey, good girl. She carried them out here by herself. Good girl. Thank you, dear. Say, come on, chicks. Say, come on. Where are you two? Where are you free rangers? Look what we've got for you. Look, Frankie, here they come. Here they come. I'll hold on to you because you're high up, aren't you? Frankie gets a little bit anxious when they get a bit too close. Look at them. Here they come. What do you think of our chickens? Hey? Time to feed the chickens. Sorry, everybody. It was a joke. We were teasing. So they're not real, in case you hadn't noticed, just like Frankie. They are metal. So the story is that I said to Grumps, I want some chickens. And he was like, nope. I was like, what about when we move to the bungalow? And he's like, nope. Wow. I get told nope, so I'll do it. Maybe not in the way people think. I just went out to our local village shop, which has the post office, and oh my god, she had a chicken for sale the next day. This one. So I bought it. And then I added a cockerel. And then I added this little chicken. That is it now, though. That is it. Right, so beware of the chickens, anybody who comes to my house. I hope you didn't mind the tease. Just another bit of fun in these crazy times. And actually, what we do with this is compost it. So we don't need chicken. We compost it. We don't throw it away in the bin. That's what I'm going to do now. Put it in the